Greetings, fellow explorers. Dr. Ellana here, ready to whisk you off on another whimsical tour of another city, and this time the enchanting city of Boston. Not only is this the home of the Celtics with many historical sites of the signing of the Declaration of Independence, Paul Revere's home, where abolitionists started here in the state of Massachusetts. So get ready to pack your bag and don't forget your favorite hair care essentials in the process. And let's dive into the heart of this enchanting city. From its cobblestone streets to its iconic landmarks, Boston is full of history and many stories. And we're here to ensure your hair remains fabulous throughout this adventure. While in the summer, Boston runs the gamut of every season. The summers can be really warm and also extreme at times with very hot weather. You have to make sure that you protect your hair from the humidity and the frizz. However, we don't have as much humidity as the South, but it is still there and it's still pretty damaging. So our lightweight anti-frizz leave-in conditioner and some serum will be your trusted companion through the summer in these balmy summer days. So keeping your hair sleek and polished, you can trust those two products and make sure you get that achievement of your hairstyle as you're wandering around Boston Commons or even enjoying Fenway Park. So Boston winters, from the snow-capped rooftop to the crisp air and the occasional nor'easter, while you're sipping your hot cocoa or exploring historical sites, conditioner is a winter warrior bundle. Shielding your hair from the cold, harsh effects of the Boston snow, our product will lock in that hydration and leave your locks silky and ready to face frosty elements. And a healthy scalp is the cornerstone of beautiful hair. So Sáfo Hair really focuses on scalp health, and all of our products really make sure that you're having healthy hair growth. But our two products in particular, the scalp serum and the scalp spray, make sure that your scalp stays nourished. You can find us at the Pop Boutique, a little bit outside of Cambridge on Mass Avenue. And also we can be found on Amazon. Let us know some other stores or boutiques you'd like to see us in so that you can make sure when you're in Boston, you can always find your Safo. And as your hair care journey continues, we want to hear from you. Where else should Safo be? Where should we explore next? Who should be our next city on our must-visit list? And where do you think our products should be sold? Share your suggestions in the comments, and let's map out our next adventure together. Thank you for joining on this delightful tour of Boston's hair care scene. Here's to exploring the beauty of Boston, hair care, one city at a time. Until our next adventure, stay fabulous, Boston. In every drop, nature's magic, we just can't stop. With Sáfo Hair, you'll see the light.